So the skiing adventure was nice and amazing. The sad part is I lost my new phone. The idea of skiing, it looks very easy, but when you are doing it, it's not that easy. But I can definitely tell you, it's a lot of fun. There are so many things that I cannot even speak properly. Good morning from Denmark. Woke up to one of the most amazing views that I can expect, or I could have imagined. It's all white right now. Everything outside, the cars, the trees, the roads, the houses. I don't care if you can, if my face is out of focus right now, but then this is the window pane that is just in front of my bed. We are staying at a place called Pine Tree Resort, and it is at Denmark and not in Gulmarg. I won't recommend it much to people because this is just, in a very busy commercial street. In a lot of regret in the morning that I did not get to record the snowfall and I was sleeping, but now I have zero regrets because it has started snowing even more right now. As you can all see, I'm already filled with snow. It's about 2.5 to 3 feet snow everywhere, on top of the cars, out here. What an experience, man. It just gets better every second. We are super late for Gulmarg because it has been snowing since morning. I wanted to do gondola ride today as well, but then I don't think I'll be doing that. Why? Point number one is we are late. Point number two is I saw gondolas to be open chair cars, but right now what I've seen, those are the box ropeway. I've been on a lot of box cable cars. I've never enjoyed that, so I do not want to do the gondola thing. I actually want to do skiing, but the amount of snow we are getting right now is top-notch crazy. I've been on winter treks, I've been on snow treks. I've never seen anything like this. The car we are traveling on, it is like fitted with chain on the tires in order to ensure that the cars do not slide left and right that we were seeing yesterday. Gulmarg is about 13 kilometers from here, and the journey is going to take us about 40 to 45 minutes from Denmark to Gulmarg. But the roads, man. Oh man, this is like so much snow. I've done the jugaad. I've taken an umbrella to protect the camera and not me. This is how deep the snow is. I might actually try some coffee. This is the condition in Gulmarg right now, and it looks like 10-15 days from now the snow can come up till here. I've come here for coffee, but then sadly there's no electricity, so I cannot have coffee. It's almost lunchtime. We got late coming to Gulmarg, but then it's okay.
Papa, boss, my name is Zubair. I am the ski instructor here in Gulmarg, Baby Slope.
Baby slope. Okay.
Yes, on Baby Slope.
Tanisha here told me that I might actually crash and fall multiple times. Let's see about it. So I've tried already the idea of skiing. It looks very easy from the outside, but when you are doing it, it's not that easy. But I can definitely tell you, it's a lot of fun. And then you gotta carry so much weight as well. So I'll be trying one slope now. I really hope I can glide down. Let's see. Not only trying to learn skiing, I'm also trying to learn everything that is involved with the sport. How you gotta wear the ski boot. Let's see if I can wear it.
नहीं वो वाला नहीं, स्नो है शूज के नीचे। ऐसा करो, जो टो है ना स्किंग का, उसमें फंसा दो जोर से, तो वो क्लियर हो जाएगा। जोर से फंसा दो और क्लिक करो पीछे। हाँ, गुड। हाँ, डन।
Okay, let's see how this goes.
Middle on shoes.
I'm not getting the speed though. This cable car for skiing is not working right now because it's snowing extreme, and in order to go up the slope I have to carry the ski up to the slope. सांस फूल के फ्लावर्ड बन गया है अभी. So I've come to the top of the slope. Damn fucking walk this is. This is my first time trying down a slope. Just that I do not want to break any bones.
पहले स्ट्रेट करो, राइट वाले हील्स में प्रेशर. ओके.
So I've fallen twice. Halfway down the slope I've fallen twice.
अभी पाउडर बर्फ गिर रहा है ना, उसके लिए वो स्पीड जो है ना कम कर रहा है.
Skiing adventure was nice and amazing, and I really had a very good amount of fun doing that. But the sad part is I lost my new phone. Just before coming I broke my iPhone, and up there on the ski track I think I dropped my phone somewhere. It's hidden below the snow right now somewhere. Me, Zaid Bhai, and there are like 5-7 other guys as well who were like super helping us, you know, trying to find the phone. So I could not like even record anything obviously. This is like 2 hours after my last skiing video. So for the past 2 hours we have been trying to, you know, search for the phone in this white powder snow. But obviously we did not get it. Couple of guys also downloaded Find My Phone app, logged in and tried. We even understood where the phone can be. We tried digging into the snow. Phone is still ringing, if I call it still ringing. But then practically I'm without a phone right now. Sir, what's the plan now?
We are going to get the cake from a different hotel, which is the same hotel where we stayed in. They have 2 branches, so we are going there.
So Shayan has arranged to celebrate Tanisha's birthday.
And I'm planning what to buy. I don't know what should I buy.
He has arranged for a celebration in the snow. मुझसे नहीं होता ये सब.